Yeah, well, students, today we are in the classroom to get acquainted with ourselves about midpoint theorem, which is one of the most important theorems in school level basics and for all boards. So here basically we are in question is a triangle ABC, which we are constructing right now with the three vertices ABC. The goal of the topic is that we have to prove that the line joining the midpoint of any two sides. Suppose if I have D as the midpoint of AB and E as the midpoint of AC, if I join these two midpoints, we have to prove that DE is parallel to BC and equal to, the first part to be proved is DE parallel to BC, and second part is DE is half of BC. Right. So we'll go about the proof in steps. So to prove this, what we do is we extend the line segment DE produced to meet the line segment and draw BD parallel to CF such that BD and CF are parallel to each other, and take up the triangles AED, triangles AED and CF, triangles AED and CF. We have angle AED is equal to angle CEF because they are vertically opposite. Then angle EAD is equal to angle ECF because they are alternate angles. And finally we have AE is equal to EC because E is the midpoint of AC. Hence, by angle side congruence criterion of triangle AED is congruent to triangle CEF. Hence, by corresponding parts of congruent triangles theorem, we have AD is equal to CF. AD equals CF. But AD is also equal to BD. This is given. AD equals BD. Hence, BD is equal to CF. BD equals CF. Given BD is parallel to CF and BD is equal to CF, hence we can conclude BD FC is a parallelogram. Hence we have DF is parallel to BC. DF is parallel to BC because of the construction, and Also by CPCT we have DE is equal to EF. Call this as 1. From 1 we have DE parallel to BC and DE will be equal to half of DF, which is equal to half of BC, opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Hence proved. Yes, any questions?